Okay guys, Angie Peppers here today. As I promised y'all on my previous video that I did on my introduction, I wanted to tell you that I was going to be adding some bonus videos. Like I wanted to show you guys how to make simple hot sauces and things out of the peppers that you grow. So this very simple hot sauce, you can use it for tacos, you could use it for any kind of dish, you know. In this case we're making, my wife's making rice and chicken, and we're going to use the hot sauce to enjoy our food with. So it's very simple to make. Anyone can make it really. If you see here, I dry these peppers throughout the season. After, like, when the fall starts hitting in, I usually pick all the peppers, and the ones that we don't eat, I store them away in a Tupperware or a paper towel. Just make sure that it's nice and dry. Wherever you store them, make sure they don't get any moisture, any water, and they'll dry nicely. As you can see here, these are some of my Thai peppers. I love to use these Thai peppers because they give just that right kick. They're not too spicy. You could just, as hot as you want them. I'm going to probably do like 4 or 5 of them, but you can make less or you can put more. And what you do is, you notice how this got the little tail still attached. All you're going to do is just take it apart, and all you do is just put it in here. I call it molcajete. I don't know what y'all call it, but we use this to grind the spices and other things. So I'm going to get a few. Like I said, just take the little tail off, and you just drop them in there. Okay, very simple hot sauce to make. You can use Thai peppers, you can use piquin, jalapeno, serrano. I prefer these. These are one of my favorite chiles. You just put it in here. Probably add one more. So you just add it in here. I like to add garlic. You could probably put maybe a quarter or less of the garlic. I like garlic with all my dishes and things like that. So, like I said, you could put more. You can add more, whatever. I'll probably put in like a quarter of a clove or less. Put it in there. And what you want to do first is you want to just crush it real good like this. Just be very careful, because sometimes when the peppers pop, they can pop in your eye, your face. So be very careful. Just, you know, it kind of starts turning pasty, kind of. Just break it apart. It usually breaks apart quite easily. See that? And you just do that a few times to make sure you break all the skin and all the seeds apart. Once you get it kind of into that kind of texture, then what I like to do is just get yourself some tomato sauce. You don't have to add it, but you can add a little bit of tomato sauce. Just barely enough. Put the sauce just barely enough to cover the peppers. In this case, this quantity right here is going to probably feed 2 to 3 people. The way we eat it, it's about 3, maybe 4 people. Because you don't need a whole lot of this. And then you just kind of mix it carefully. And then what you're going to do, because you don't want that pasty, sticky. See how it's real pasty and sticky? What I like to do, get yourself a little bit of water. Pour a little bit in there, probably I'd say about a couple of teaspoons or so. Just enough to where it starts running a little bit. But like I said, if you like it thick and pasty, that's totally up to you. I'm just going to add a little bit more water. Just mix it a little bit more. And then you want to add salt to suit your taste. You know, I like our stuff kind of salty, so that might look like scary to y'all, but see there? You might want to add a little bit more water. I don't like mine too pasty with the tomato sauce. Just little droplets of the water. You don't want to have it too watery. And there you go. You get yourself a spoon. There you go. You got some basic hot sauce. You can use this hot sauce, like I said, spread it on their tacos, put it over the chicken and rice, bowl of beans, whatever you like. And here you go, guys. My first segment on how to make a simple, basic hot sauce. All right? Enjoy.